Welcome back to the vlog, guys. So today we're going to be working on the RX-7, and this morning I got a really important package in, and it's something to finish off the rear. Me being an artist, you know that I really care about physical aesthetic and the look of a car. And obviously we don't really have to touch the motor on this all that much. It's already been tampered with enough. So I figured we'll just work on prettying her up, and a couple of weeks ago we installed the Rocket Bunny spoiler, but to accompany that I ended up ordering the Rocket Bunny diffuser. It's just this thing doesn't really even have an exhaust. It's like a pipe pointing downwards right underneath the center console. So before we install the diffuser, my idea was to bring it over to my friend's shop, Daniel at Adversus, and have him create us some custom blast pipes. If I bring you outside, sadly, it's winter mode here. Oh my God. Dude, this is pure ice. Now I'm thinking about it, I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to take the RX-7 out here. The tires that this thing is on right now, they're not winters. So wish us luck, and yeah, just hope for the best. Let's get today started.
I'm gonna have to do 2 or 3 trips, but I have everything taped together, and it's a taped assemble. I literally I bring a little battery hacksaw.
Yeah.
I cut that straight, right? Then I clean it with a file nice.
Yeah.
And then we have a slip-on,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
Sleeve. And then I make everything with cardboard.
A small prototype so you get the
Right,
shape
and then I get the
everything,
bends
right?
and everything. And then it saves you the towing, it saves you like the risk of fucking with the car, right?
That's cool with you, man.
Yeah,
I
man.
appreciate
That's no
that.
problem.
So Daniel was kind enough to make his way over here, and we did a little bit of assessing. So what he's gonna do is he's gonna go for a car wash first of all, but then he's gonna go home, grab all his tools, pipes, and whatever else he needs. And then he's gonna come back here, do his measurements, and then we'll go from there. Plan is to make us a custom, like cut off exhaust pipe where I can just clamp it on at any time. That'll make it easy for us. We'll position the RX-7 over here, lift it up, and make it easy for when Daniel comes back and has to do his measurements. The E36 sounds more like a rotary than any of my rotaries. Fun, bro? There's no way. This is pure. I know. Larry. Hey!
I wasn't sure where the ice started. I was like.
So, in the meantime, while we're waiting for Daniel, let's open up the diffuser, but I'll try to make this video montage or this visual tutorial, if you will, as thorough as possible so that any of you guys who want to do the same to your RX-7 can. And I know the 240SX Rocket Bunny diffuser is similar, so probably the same process. So let's see what we got here. It comes with L brackets, all the hardware, these 2 rear side apron things that basically hold the bottom of the diffuser to the body of the car. And then all of the other pieces which come with the holes pre-drilled. Let's put this thing together to the best of our ability. One of the bigger reasons why I ended up going with this diffuser too, there's like a line here. It's very subtle. If you follow this line, that's where the top of this part should be bolted onto. So it covers this grossness up perfectly. So let's take a look underneath here. This is where Daniel cut the pipe. Well, that's basically where the exhaust started, okay? Now we're gonna be extending that pipe all the way through to this. And the plan is to have 2 blast pipes coming out, maybe like a few inches from the body. Slanted, cut, burnt tips with the Versys logo branded on it. So this is what we got so far. I thought it would look prettier if this part was on top of the brackets. I tried that, but then this bolt would have been in the way. And then I kind of looked at photos, and most of them actually do the setup as well. It's a lot more flush too. So now we just got to do the same. So now we just got to repeat this on that side, and we should be good. Alright, so we got the foundation, the base, all put together. I didn't actually know this, but it came with these two side pieces. So these guys actually have something to attach onto. You basically just have to match the shape up. So now that we're at this stage, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna drill out these holes. So Daniel quickly had to go back to his shop to pick up the exhaust. He managed to bring everything else but the main ingredient. This is his welding machine. You can give him a follow on his personal Instagram. Versys, that's his company. And he does all the metal stuff. He's done several of my friends' exhausts actually. But while we wait for him, let's see what this diffuser looks like. So it's all put together now. Even got the side parts, which are basically just bolted into this part. Now it's just a matter of figuring out how to actually install this on the bottom of the RX-7 because, again, I have no idea. I think we're just gonna try to figure out mounting points and or just self-tap the shit out of it. It's actually pretty good. So there's this line we basically just have to line the top up with. I'm just gonna look at a few references to make sure that we got this proper. But we'll just wait until Daniel installs the exhaust before we fully install the Rocket Bunny diffuser, just in case.
It's been a long time and I've been thinking, give you a call to shoot the shit and fill you in, we're reminiscing.
Here's the exhaust setup. There's a huge pipe.
Up in the hills smoking cigarillos, waiting on a vision.
So you can connect. Oh, they're stuck. Gee, we'll put it like a Christmas present. How about that? This is the band that will connect your tips so that you can replace them whenever you want.
Oh, cool.
So it's not that complex, but in that way it goes like that.
Yeah.
Nice and tight, and then there'll be all the hangers.
Whoa.
That'll make it always be
I see.
nice and smooth fit. But
Yo, that's awesome.
cool.
I'm gonna put these on the RX-7 too. They're just like these spare side splitter things that I got on eBay. Didn't end up using them for anything, so we'll just put them on the RX-7. Just like, you know, little extra.
It's sticking out a little bit more than you wanted, I think. Just a touch, or what do you think?
No, I think that's cool, dude. Wow. Crazy. Hey, dude. There's Daniel's work. Huge pipe fitting. And now he's just gonna finalize the tip, put on his branding, really pretty her up. And I think we're gonna burn the tips as well, so. It's way too icy, man. Barely even do one donut, so I'm not even gonna try.